In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email marketing on WordPress.com. First things first, we need to access your WordPress.com account. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in WordPress.com login in your search bar. Once the search results are in, select the link that says WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website, and then log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your go-to place for managing all things related to your website. Now, look to the left-hand side of your screen and you'll see a menu with a variety of options. Locate and click on Plugins from this list. Plugins are a great way to enhance your WordPress site with additional features and functionalities, like email marketing. In the Plugins menu, you'll want to click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the WordPress plugin repository, where you can search and install different plugins. Move your attention to the search bar and type in the term email marketing. This will help narrow down the list to only email marketing related plugins. Next, you'll want to look for the plugin titled Email Marketing for WooCommerce by Omnisend. This particular plugin is user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with WordPress, making it a fantastic choice for your site. Once you've located it, click on it. After that, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and click Install and wait for a moment while WordPress handles the installation process. Once installed, you need to activate it for it to work on your site. You'll see an Activate button in the same spot where the Install button was. Click it, and your plugin will now be active. With the plugin now active, it's time to customize it according to your needs. Each plugin will add its own options to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the settings icon related to the Omnisend plugin. This icon will allow you to explore various customization options that the plugin provides. Customize the settings as per your marketing strategy. You can configure email templates, set up subscriber lists, and much more. Take your time to explore these features, as it allows you to tailor your email marketing efforts effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully connected email marketing on WordPress.com using a plugin. Always remember that email marketing is a powerful tool for engaging with your audience, so make sure to maintain a regular schedule and provide content that is both valuable and engaging to your subscribers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.